So hi, hello, hi, good evening. Okay, another day, another makeup tutorial. Kind of brown, kind of nude, kind of whatevs. That's what I was feeling today, so that's what we're doing. Yay. Enjoy. Let's do this. So Smashbox primer water. Beautiful. Wait. You can tap that in if you can't be bothered to wait for it to dry. MAC Face and Body Foundation. Then concealer of gold. A lot, always. Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a Morphe E41 brush. It's nice and big and it gets the job done quickly. You know. So for bronzer I'm using Benefit Hoola, just because I love it so much. So this is a MAC 135 brush. See that? Cheekbone, no cheekbone. Cheekbone, no cheekbone. You know, do the face, do the bronzer. Forehead, bit on the nose, underneath the lips, pout, you know. Blend it out on your neck, bit on the double chin, the usual. Dandelion blush. So cute, rosy, beautiful. Blend that out. Not doing any highlight with this one. I know. Hello. Oh, I should have washed my brushes, but that's okay. Starting with MAC Texture. It's a very warm mid-tone brown. Everywhere. So you want to start from the lash line and then kind of blend it out. And then with a fluffier brush, blend it out some more. And then with a fluffier brush, blend it out some more. See, once you've got almost nothing left, you're done. Using MAC brown down at the very deep brown. Just right at the lashes. Top and bottom. And it. You know, it's alright. Then with the black kohl liner, I'm gonna line my waterline, top and bottom. Now this is alright, it doesn't look like much. So what you want to do is get a little flat liner brush and some black shadow and kind of go just along the lashes without actually making it a liner. Once you blend it, you see, smouldering. Anyway, for eyebrows I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade, as always. MAC Fix Plus to set the face. And I always set my face before I do mascara, because otherwise my mascara will go everywhere. Wait for it to dry. There we go. I didn't feel like doing falsies today, so I just put on a couple of layers of mascara. For the lips, I'm using this Colourpop 0.0 Ultra Satin Lip. This is like real brown. And then right at the center of the lips, I'm using MAC Burnt Spice. And there you have it. Here's the finished look. Very nude, very brown. Beautiful.